Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do smoke alarms. I was going to do under counter lights, but this room that I'm in right now isn't ready, so we're stuck with smoke alarms. So first you want to pull your wires out. This circuit right here has 2 wires, or this box has 2 wires. So there's a smoke wire and probably a power wire. So I'm just going to trim these down a little bit. Make sure the power's off. There's no power here, so I'm gonna strip all these out real quick. I might do a time lapse, but I'm not in the time lapse format, and hopefully this will just be like 5 to 7 minutes. So you're gonna strip all these out, and you want to make sure that there's no rough edges around the outside of this box, no lumps or anything. Sometimes when they grind it with when the sheetrockers grind it with the router thing or whatever, I can't remember the name of it right now, but it'll make a rough edge around the box. And then you take your wires right here, not using the brown on this case. You're usually just gonna have your white, black, and red. This one has to be stripped out. So now these are all ready to go. Usually you start with ground, but smoke alarms don't get ground, so I start with the next best as white. And there's 2 whites in this box, and you're gonna connect both of them. Sometimes you'll just have 1, sometimes you'll have 2 or 3. So tie these together. I usually just stop when the wire starts to twist, and then I always try to pull on every single wire, make sure it's not going to come out. Then I go for my blacks, or you could go to red. Usually I go to red, but I'll go black this time. I usually just try to say if the power was on, you want to try to work backwards. So neutral has no power, the red is the signal wire, and the black is the hot. So make sure the blacks aren't coming out. And lastly, I'll go to red. This might be a fairly short video if I'm gonna knock this out this quick. So red. And then you're gonna fold these up in the box. This is an 832 box because it's round and it's not a rectangular box. But anyways, the screw holes are bigger. Usually ceiling boxes are 832s. And that's a thicker screw unless you use a floor box from the ground up on the ceiling, which happens sometimes. So you're going to set the screws in there. You're going to take your smoke alarm bracket, find the right holes. That was easy. And then tighten it down. You're going to want to try to keep it tight to the ceiling. If you do it too tight, sometimes it'll start to make a gap on the wall, or the ceiling, so you want to make it tight but not super tight. And then lastly, you're just going to connect this. Just plugs right in there. Push it up there and then twist it. Double check, make sure it's not loose, and there you have it. So that was so fast. That's like a record. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more videos. Appreciate the support. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.